like a multitude of goodbyes, really leading up to blessings in disguise. Everybody cries, everybody lies, the love and good blessings in disguise. Everybody cries, everybody dies, but love and good blessings in disguise. So when things are going bad, and truth seems like a pack of lies, the joy you felt, the happiness you had, will come back as blessings in disguise. Everybody cries, everybody dies, but love will endure as blessings in disguise. Everybody cries, everybody dies, but love will endure as blessings in disguise. Rain on a stormy day, the lovers alibis. Rest assured that love will come your way as blessings in disguise. Everybody cries, everybody dies, but love will endure as blessings in disguise. Everybody cries, everybody dies, but love will endure as blessings in disguise.
Oh, that's the Bondo over top paint. Yeah, he really screwed this up, man.
Now who did that?
Oh, the guy who helped me do all the repair to it after I hit the telephone pole.
Uh-huh.
It's not really straight. It's not really straight. The frame's supposed to be like this. The front, it's just like this now.
Wow.
But it rides true.
Right.
Doesn't pull to either side. And it's they say the alignment's in place. I used the last alignment like 2 days before my realignment. Expiration, and they said it's true. But I don't think we do a special one for 4-wheel drive.
Right.
So I want to get it checked for all four. But it's not wearing tires on it. Of course, I wouldn't be able to tell because I rarely ever drive it. But yeah, it runs fine. AC works. Everything works.
Yeah, it's remarkable. 14 years old.
And it's been. I front end wrecked it.
Huh?
I front end wrecked it. It was only like 8 to 12 miles an hour.
Right.
But hitting something totally stationary.
Right.
It didn't damage the it didn't damage the pole. Well, we got it built for it.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Whoa! Tighten that up, it's hot! Oh, crap and over. That's a 400. Oh, where's the 400? 20. Brand new. Yeah, let's try some 608 brand new too. Oh wow. Wow. Maybe I should bump up to 150 now, geez. Along with a standing bar, standing tab, whatever it is.
I'm going to do a song recording. I wrote a song this morning.
You did already?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Every time I come down, I get inspired. I'll go long periods of time without writing anything,
Yeah.
like months, and then all of a sudden, I go down in a deep hole, you know, and I feel really crappy. And then when I come back up out of it, then there's all this revelation type stuff.
Cool, man.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I had an outlet like that. I think that I gotta do this kind of stuff. Get up to do something, you know?
You don't want to have that ability to.
What?
Well, it's a it's a two-edged sword, the writing thing. You know, some of the time it's very elating. Other times it's like a bummer.
Yeah, I got really good grades in writing class.
Yeah.
And I didn't really even apply myself. I just.
We didn't have creative writing when I was in school.
Oh no.
I wish they'd had it. Yeah.
Yeah. I got a B minus in the course, and I think I missed more than half of it.
Really? Wow.
Yeah, all my essays were like A or A plus.
Cool.
I was very. I didn't even really try very hard.
Right.
Pretty cool. I remember the teacher's name was a lady. She was kind of pretty. Miss Braverman.
Huh.
I think her husband owned the furniture store in town. Back in San Antonio.
Yeah.
That was her friend was great. I really missed a lot of that. Most of that classes. It was beginning with pre-Spanish.
Yeah.
I started skipping that one too. First and third and fifth, basically. Come late, leave early. Come late, class late, leave early.
Right.
Yeah. Then when they moved me over to the other school, the continuation school, and I did the reading comprehension for a whole semester in like 2 weeks. Done.
Wow.
So you work at your own pace. What am I going to do now? I'm going to dry it now, I think. Dry it, and let it dry in the sun.
You have to. Do you have to prime it?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. I think you just put Bondo on bare, dry, clean metal. I think. Oh, that's a huge lip too. I can feel it. Better blow it off. Dry it a little first. Yeah, the paint looks terrible. There's no clear coat over all the spots I fixed. I don't have clear coat. I wonder if I get a little bit of clear coat and use that same sprayer for it. I don't know. Kind of doesn't come out that strong of a stream from the little painting apparatus I got.
Yeah.
I mean, it works. You know, you can't hardly tell that. Oh wow, that's starting to peel up too. The Camry. Yeah, I did that whole rear. I was peeling up again. I don't know why. Maybe clear coat. Next time I see Eric at the hall, maybe this Sunday, I'll go talk to him for a minute. See if he needs to make any extra cash. Last time he did it for like $100. He had the paint and everything on the Camry.
Right.
And he did a pretty big build-up. You know the... Let's go down there. Yeah. When you back into something with the corner of the Camry. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so what's in here? How it kind of bumps pock marks in with the plastic. That had happened, I don't know, someone backed in at the store.
Yeah.
And then when I backed into your WRX, it like dimpled it in and broke all the Bondo that he'd done build up, make it look right.
Right.
And it's been chipping. It had been chipping away for some time, but he only charged me $100 to do that whole corner of the car.
Yeah.
And he had the paint, so that I mean, the paint alone is probably, well, for that small of an area, I don't think they sell it that small of a quantity.
Right.
You got to buy like $140 of paint.
Wow.
Where is that paint? Let's put away the car stuff. Oh, here it is. Still out. Oh. This is how much you get for $140.
Whoa. It's not much.
These are both they've both been thinned for a sprayer.
Uh-huh.
And I should probably intermix them back and forth a couple times before I use it. But that's supposedly enough to do like half the car with
Wow.
2 or 3 layers. What do you think? Let's see, where's the... There it is. There it is, right here. See that? Oh, it's
Wow.
getting thick.
Yeah, it looks
That's
like
the
it's
apparatus right
solidified.
there.
Yeah.
Is it threaded? Nothing just it pops in and out. Wow. Yeah, I think it's just about empty too. I gotta get a new one. It's weird. Just push it down in there. It works. I'm gonna have to thin it. No, actually, keep this. I'll add a little paint once I get to that stage. Here's the Bondo over here. Here's the Bondo. I use most of it on both vehicles. That won't be enough to do all these spots. I guess that's good enough. I mean, it's going to peel up again, I'm sure. But I'll try my hand at it, you know.
Yeah.
I'll let it dry completely. Probably pull it in the sun. Yeah. You don't move the WRX. Right there.